Hi, this is UniversalProgrammer and welcome to another video of Python for Beginners series. In this video, we are going to look on loops in Python. So, in Python there are two types of loops. One is for loop and another one is while loop. In this video, we are going to look at for loop. In the next one, we are going to look at while loop. So, why do we need loops? So, say if I want to print something, that is hi. And if I want to say hi to 10 people at the same time, I need to print hi 10 times. So I need to copy it, paste it 10 times. But these are too many lines of code for performing just hi. So we can do something better with the help of loops. So I'm going to remove them and say for I in range of 10. That is, the value of I is going to start from 0 and it's going to go up to 10. That is, it's not going to include 10. So let's run it. So as you can see, we have hi 10 times. We can also print I to get the value of I. And I'm going to comment this, run it. And as you can see, we have 0 to 9. But what if I want to start from 1? I can do that by passing the starting value over here. So the first parameter is the starting value, the second one is the ending value. If you don't have the starting one, if you have just 1, then it's going to take the ending one and it's going to take the starting one as 0. So let's run it. So as you can see, this time it starts from 1. But what if I want to start from 1, go up to 10? Then I need to say from 1 to 11, because it's not going to include 11. Anyway, if I want to increment it by some other number, that is, if we look over here, it's incrementing by 1. But what if I want to increment it by 2? I can pass it over here. That is the step. And as you can see, this time it increments by 2. We can also increment by other numbers like 3 and all. Anyway, Shahryar commented on my previous video or the video before that I should give you some homework. So here's my homework. You need to print A to Z using a for loop. So leave your answers in the comment section below. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one.